Hello humans, Siren here, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Urban Decay's new palette, the Naked Ultraviolet palette. What? So I'm really excited to review today's palette. I actually got it in the mail from INFLUENSTER. I got it before it was even released. They sent us an email to let us know that they've been thinking about us through this hard time, what with the pandemic and all the craziness that's happening in the world. Super excited. Look at how cute the box is too. This would be perfect for actually organizing makeup. But ooh, okay. Right when you open the box, it has the new Naked Urban Decay Ultraviolet eyeshadow palette, 12 vivid neutrals with a purple pop. Urban Decay is 100% cruelty-free. I love when a brand is cruelty-free. That is always something that I can get behind. You can go soft, medium, or bold. What do you think we're gonna do? Look at it. I'm so excited. I mean, the box is so pretty. I don't even want to go further than that. It's just gorgeous. It says all the shade names on the back, which is really neat. Let's just dig in. There's shades called Trippin'. Mine's, oh my god. The names sound so fun. Oh my gosh. Packaging alone can be worse than money, and this thing is built tough. I feel like if I dropped this, the shadows would be safe. Oh gosh, there's a brush. That's exciting. Oh, that's a pretty brush too. And it says naked. So you can add some definition for that smokiness, blend it out. I'm gonna use this brush for the look today. But let's get into these colors, mama. Oh my gosh, look at those. They're beautiful. But look at that, isn't that pretty? Those colors. I don't know if you can see it on camera how beautiful some of those colors are. So the first color is Trippin'. Ooh, very pigmented. It gives a very nice like pearlescent sheen. That would be really nice on the inner corner. Ooh, but this next one is one I'm really excited for. Dazed. Look at that. It's like a rose gold copper. That is so pretty. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but look at that. Oh my gosh. That would be a really pretty highlighter for like a summer look. Ooh, VR looks like candy almost. It's got this really pretty like sparkly flecks in there. A really interesting color because on camera it looks almost like brownish, like pinkish. And then the sparkles just make it look really fun. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, just looking at the palette, the next color is my favorite. I don't think it's picking up on camera very well, but it's like a greenish, pearlescent, whitish color. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's blinding. I don't even know where, let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that color shift. That's going all over everything. That's my new favorite eyeshadow. Just calling it right now. 2020 favorite eyeshadow color, Lucid. You can use that for everything. Highlighter, inner corner, as a topper on the lid, as a topper on the lip. We're gonna have some fun with this. Cyberpunk. Ooh, that's a cool color. Euphoric. It's like a more lilac-y purple, but metallic. Oh yeah, that's a pretty color. All of these are gorgeous. Ooh, Drama. That one's called Purple Dust. It's like a dark metallic purple. Oh, you can't see the sparkle on camera, but that is gorgeous. Okay. I needed to dig in. No more talking. But I'm in a rush. I'm trying to go have a date with my boyfriend, thank you, and I gotta look good, so let's do this. So I'm gonna take this color, Trippin', and I'm gonna take the smaller end of the brush that came in the set, and I'm just gonna go in the inner corner of my eye and brighten that up. We don't want her looking too mismatched, okay, mama? Now that that is incorporated, I'm going to put Mind Slip as a base on the entire eyelid. I use the wider end of the brush that they gave me, and I'm just gonna go over the whole lid just to kind of buff out, give it a base. Let's move on to the next step. Now I'm really wanting to use some of this as a highlight, so I'm just gonna put this color Dazed, the really pretty almost coppery color. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. It looks sun-kissed. I look like I got a tan in the sun and I'm living my best life and nobody can stop me. Okay, so now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip into this VR color. It's a really pretty, like, goldish. It almost reminds me of like a Chevy Impala. I don't know why. The color just looks like candy painted. You know, it's doing exactly what I wanted it to. It's giving it a nice, like, almost neutral look, but adding a nice pop of color. I need some purple in here because, I mean, I'm rocking the purple for a reason. So let's go in with this Warning color. These colors are really easy to build on, which is nice. A lot of eyeshadows that I've noticed, sometimes you'll get a palette and you'll try and blend the colors together and they're not friends. They're like, no, you cannot make me mingle with this girl. She is not that. And it's like, come on, you came in the same palette. Like, if you're gonna blend with any eyeshadow, it should be the ones you came with, right? Shouldn't it? Oh, that pop of color is doing it for me. I might need to dramatize that up just a little bit more because you guys know me. I'm here for the drama. Speaking of drama, has everybody seen what's been going on in the beauty world? Like with James Charles and Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. It's all crazy. But anyways, I digress. Let's dig into this cyberpunk color. It is so cute. I want to dramatize the outer corner a little bit because you can see it, then you can be it. I think I want to dramatize and eyeline the bottom with this purple dust color. It was that really dark purple that I showed you guys earlier. When you get colors that are super pigmented, a lot of times they don't want to blend. And these ones are just like, oh, you want me over here? Okay, I'll do that. Good little eyeshadows. Just gonna wipe off all the excess. I always tell people it's smart to have a big fluffy brush nearby when you're doing eyeshadow because you never know how fallout's gonna be. And the fallout isn't terrible on this palette. Okay, I need to get this lucid color on top of everything, right? I'm not crazy for wanting to do that. This color right here, it's gorgeous. Just dusting it on there is so pretty. It's got such a like pearlescent sheen to it. Oh my God, yes. I'm gonna do something crazy, guys. I want to see how this Dazed color and this VR color look as a highlight. Yep, definitely gives you that beachy feel that I was talking about. Yes. Okay, guys, so one of the good things about this palette is it's versatile. You can use it not only on your eyes, but you can use it as eyeshadow. Can you tell that I'm tired? Okay, let's rephrase that. Not only can you use it on your eyes, but you can also use it as a highlighter. You can use it as a blush. I'm actually really tempted. I think I'm gonna try it as a lip. Now, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but you can use eyeshadow as lipstick. You can, if it's, you know, lip safe, which you want to make sure with the, you know, read the instructions on the packet. Usually they'll tell you if it's, you know, safe for your whole face or not. Sometimes you just don't have a lipstick that matches the color you're going for. And sometimes you can just take the exact color that you used on your eye and make it into your lipstick, and then it's just like, yes, why didn't I think of that before? And I will be right back for final thoughts. Okay guys, I am back and I have done my eyeliner, I've done my mascara. Everything is cohesive, everything looks really well blended. I'm shining to the gods, yes mama, huh? And I am loving this look. It matches the shirt really well. I'm ready to go on my date, and I think my date will be very impressed. I am very pleased with this palette. I would have to probably give it a 9 out of 10. The only thing that I would say that they could improve on is maybe working a little bit on fallout. I know that they were specifically pumping purple for this palette, which is a-okay. I'm a-okay with that. All the nudes and all of that, you can do everyday looks with this. My only suggestion, since it's ultraviolet, violet is consisted of purple and blue, so maybe throw at least one blue in there. So that is my review of the Urban Decay Ultraviolet Naked Palette. I really loved it. The packaging is 10 out of 10 for sure. I mean, look at how beautiful that is. Gotta get that thumbnail. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel where I pump out new videos every Wednesday. Tap that bell to get a notification of when those videos come out. And if you have any products that you would like to see me review in a future video, go ahead and drop that in the comments below. You can always reach out to me by email as well. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for staying tuned. You guys are the best. Bye!